The world of reality television thrives on transformation stories, and when it comes to TLC's hit series 1000 LB Sisters, few journeys have captivated audiences as deeply as those of Tammy and Amy Slayton. Over the years, fans have watched them battle health struggles, navigate family drama, face heartbreaking setbacks, and celebrate victories that once seemed impossible. Recently, however, one update has sent shockwaves through the fanbase and sparked intense speculation: a major facelift that left on of the stars looking practically unrecognizable. While weight loss transformations have been at the heart of the show's narrative, cosmetic surgery marks an entirely new chapter and could signal massive changes in both her personal life and professional career. This facelift is not just a simple tweak but rather a powerful statement about reinvention and reclaiming confidence. The reality star in question has already gone through monumental changes after years of struggling with obesity, mobility issues, and self-esteem battles. When she first appeared on television, she was defined by her size and health complications, often serving as both an inspiration and a cautionary tale for viewers. Now the tables have turned, and the facelift has become a visible marker of someone ready to step into a new identity. Fans online were quick to share side-by-side photos comparing her before and after look, with many struggling to believe it was even the same person. Some called her transformation jaw-dropping, while others worried that she may be going too far in the pursuit of a new image. The idea of a 1000 LB Sisters star getting a facelift may not have seemed likely in the early seasons when discussions centered on survival, bariatric surgery approval, and basic quality of life improvements. At that time, cosmetic enhancements were a distant dream, overshadowed by life or death struggles related to morbid obesity. But now, with substantial progress made, it makes sense that attention has shifted from simply staying alive to thriving and presenting one's best self to the world. This shift also mirrors what many weight loss surgery patients go through. After shedding massive amounts of weight, loose skin, sagging, and changes in facial structure often create new insecurities. A facelift becomes less about vanity and more about completing the transformation that weight loss alone cannot achieve. The facelift itself is a highly symbolic move because it highlights the emotional journey behind physical change. It is not uncommon for reality stars who experience dramatic transformations to seek cosmetic surgery as a way to match their outward appearance with how they feel inside. In this case, the star's decision reflects a determination to erase visible reminders of past struggles. When fans look at her now, they no longer see the same tired, battle-worn face from the early seasons. Instead, they see someone radiating youthfulness, determination, and renewed energy. That shift in image carries implications not only for how fans view her but also for how she views herself and what kind of opportunities may open in the future. One of the biggest questions circulating online is what this facelift means for her future role on 1000 LB Sisters. Could this be a sign that she is preparing for life beyond the show? Reality TV fame can be both empowering and limiting. While it provides visibility and a loyal fanbase, it also locks stars into a specific narrative. For years, this star has been defined by weight struggles and health scares. The facelift could signal a desire to rewrite that narrative, shifting the spotlight from her challenges to her triumphs. Some fans are even speculating that she may pursue brand partnerships, public appearances, or even a spin-off focused on beauty, wellness, or life after extreme weight loss. Still, the move has not come without controversy. Social media has been buzzing with mixed reactions. Supporters are applauding her bravery and reminding critics that after years of hardship, she has every right to enjoy feeling beautiful. Others argue that the facelift could be dangerous or unnecessary, questioning whether she might be succumbing to pressures from fame and online scrutiny. Some have raised concerns about body dysmorphia, wondering whether she will ever feel satisfied with her appearance after such extreme changes. The debate reflects a larger conversation happening in society about weight loss, cosmetic surgery, and the red line between empowerment and pressure. Psychologists often note that people who undergo extreme transformations may struggle to reconcile their old identities with their new realities. For years, the star was known as someone fighting for survival, someone who inspired others by simply showing you and sharing her journey. Now, she is stepping into a completely different chapter, one where she is no longer defined by those struggles but by how she reinvents herself. That process can be liberating but also disorienting. Fans will be watching closely to see how she navigates this new identity and whether it strengthens her confidence or creates new challenges. What makes this facelift moment especially dramatic is that it comes on the heels of several other big milestones for the 1000 LB Sisters cast. Both Tammy and Amy have undergone transformations that shocked viewers. From Tammy's miraculous weight loss after years of skepticism to Amy's ongoing challenges balancing motherhood and health. Each time fans think they have seen it all, the sisters manage to surprise them again. The facelift is the latest twist in this ongoing saga, keeping the series fresh and unpredictable. TLC has always thrived on moments like this, where reality stars step into new, uncharted territory that fans cannot stop talking about. From a career standpoint, the facelift could open doors that were once closed. Beauty endorsements, fashion opportunities, or even motivational speaking gigs may now be on the horizon. Her unrecognizable new look could inspire others who are considering similar procedures after weight loss. It also sends a message to those still in the early stages of transformation that it is possible to not only survive but thrive and feel glamorous after years of struggle. This kind of aspirational message has the potential to broaden her fanbase beyond those who tune in for weight loss stories. However, with new opportunities also comes new scrutiny. Fame can be unforgiving, and critics will likely dissect every detail of her transformation, from the cost of the facelift to the motivations behind it. Rumors are already swirling that the star may be eyeing a bigger stage outside of TLC, perhaps even Hollywood. While nothing has been confirmed, the facelift certainly positions her in a different light, no longer just a reality star but a woman capable of reinvention and resilience. At the heart of this story is a simple truth: change is rarely just physical. The facelift is a visible marker of years of hard work, pain, and perseverance. It represents a fresh start, one that could shape not only her career but her personal relationships as well. Those closest to her may need time to adjust to this new version of her, but ultimately, what matters most is that she feels empowered in her own skin. The fact that she now appears unrecognizable is not just about looking different, it's about being different. The coming months will reveal whether this dramatic new look sparks additional life changes. Will she pursue new career paths? Will the show's producers lean into her makeover storyline for future seasons? Will fans embrace her new image, or will they long for the old version of her? One thing is certain: the facelift has reignited interest in the 1000 LB Sisters universe, ensuring that audiences will continue to tune in, speculate, and cheer, or criticize, every step of the way. Ultimately, this unrecognizable transformation symbolizes more than just a physical facelift. It represents a powerful declaration that the star is ready to leave behind the shadows of her past and step boldly into a new future. Whether that future includes staying on reality TV, branching into new ventures, or simply enjoying life with renewed confidence, one fact remains clear: this facelift is not the end of her story, but the beginning of an entirely new chapter. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.